Hi folks, my name's Ken Quick. We're here by this noisy road today. We're going to do a quick review of this 2016 Winnebago Via. Let's go inside and take a look around. This coach has a walk-around bed in the bedroom here with a short slide right there so you can get around this bed. Storage up above. Cabinets here with a small TV. Couple windows on both sides of the bed. Right here is one of our storage closets. Got the booster seats in here right now. Got the satellite. Here's your slide mechanism control. You can see it's got some storage down below here. Okay. This coach has a 6-cylinder Mercedes turbo diesel motor. Very nice coach. Here's our kitchen. This coach is going to get 14 to 18 miles to the gallon. Here's your sink right here that swings up. These coaches can be driven anywhere. That's what they're appealing, plus the fuel economy. It's a diesel. Okay, storage up above. As we go across the hall, we have our bathroom. Small sink in the bathroom and shower. As we come across into the living area here, we've got our microwave convection oven. All of our controls up here. And there's our freezer, small freezer with the old-fashioned ice maker in it. Right here, we've got the bottom half of the refrigerator. As I let my cameraman swing around here, we've got the TV that slides to kind of center this TV, and you'll see why when I show you the chairs up front that turn around. This is a slide out here, and this turns into a bed very quickly. It flips out, real easy. More storage up a bit above here. As we move into the cockpit area, this is kind of a small Class A motorhome. You can see it's got the Mercedes, all the Mercedes appeal up front here. It even has a door on the driver's side, so easy access going in and out to get fuel. Like I said, 14 to 18 miles per gallon. This is a great little coach, especially if you're going to go put on some mileage. These chairs turn around. If you want to sit low, you can sit low like this with your legs out. It's almost like having an ottoman. Or you can put this up and sit at regular height. So, makes it very comfortable. One of my favorite features on this coach is this screen right here. I think this is just so slick to have that right there. But if you have a dog, be careful. Don't let them run through there. But I really like that screen door. Let's go outside and take a look around. This coach is equipped with a generator, full body paint, push button electric awning, made to be simple. Drive it anywhere. If you decide to go through New York City, you could drive this through New York City. Okay, plenty of storage outside. Storage right there, inverter. Got a little more storage up here in the front. Right there. You can't ever have too much storage. Onan 3600 propane generator. More storage in the back. So we come around the back side. Here's your receiver and your plug for towing if you need to. That's the nice thing about a 25-foot coach. If you decide you don't want to tow a vehicle behind you, you don't have to. It'll go anywhere. Backup camera. Bedroom slide right here. There is your outdoor shower and your part of your drain right there, water tank drain right there, electrical hookup. As we move forward, there's your gray and your black tank, also your propane hookup. Just drive up, they'll fill it up. You don't have to move tanks, made to be real easy. You've got toppers on the awning, so you can see both of those. Got locking fuel. Here's your side camera. So if you put your left signal on, you can see down on your camera on the dash, you can see down the left side of your coach, your blind spot. Same thing, put the right signal on, see down the right side. Beautiful little coach, in great shape. This thing will run and run and run and run. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach here at Guarantee RV, please give me a call. My name's Ken Quick. I go by Coach. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. My number's 208-250-8625. Thank you very much. Have a great day.